There we go. Let's get started. Let's see. And for some reason, this is giving me grief. Don't give me grief. Okay. Hoping this would be a little bit easier to work with, but I guess I can work with it from here. Hopefully this all records well, and we'll see how this works out. Okay. Welcome to AI Makerspace Build, Ship, and Share on Monday, August 5th. This is week 32 of the year. It's summertime. That means barbecues, beaches, and vacations. So Dr. Greg is taking some well-deserved time off. I'm Mike Rabas, Mike C, and I will be hosting this week. Okay. And let's see, everyone here, if there's anyone here who's joining for the first time, each week we gather our community to celebrate our accomplishments and to share our goals for the upcoming week. For you returning legends, welcome back. It's great to see you again. And the mission is, as an engineering leader, I've witnessed several waves in tech, and some exciting, some exhausting. Yes, AI is moving fast. Innovation constantly is emerging and changing. The best way to navigate this is by staying connected, and that's why I'm part of AI Makerspace. The mission is to create the world's leading community for people who want to build, ship, and share production LLM applications. Not only do we get to learn the latest AI technology through practical hands-on applications, but we also build and share our ideas with like-minded people. This week, we've seen some pretty interesting posts. Let's dive into this. Very interesting one from Peter Duca. He was part of the cohort 3 and has some very deep insights into the inner workings of teams and built the incredible demo day project called Better One-on-Ones. And last week he posted that he aims to complete this in the next 90 days. Big shout out to Leo Borsching, aka Borsch, who delivered an amazing community session on AI Makerspace called a Llama Agent Roll Cage. It's an agentic action space for multimodal agent automation. For those who missed it, please check it out, the link in the chat. And next. We have Christos, who's making waves with his LinkedIn posts about his project, Build Agent. It's designed to help you start your AI application projects. He also participated in the Builder Space event this weekend. Looking forward to hearing more about that today. Eric Riddock shared a LinkedIn post on Mert Boskin and his demo. As promised, August 1st brought the fog to San Francisco and another update of the Summits of San Francisco summarizing the AI in-person and online events. And that link is also shared on Discord. So it's been a week since the cohort 3 posted their demos. And we're excited to announce the update to the current YouTube standings. And the bronze goes to Report Wiz, silver goes to Neural Nomad, and winning the gold is Peter Dudka with his Better One-on-Ones, based upon the number of people who are watching the videos. Congratulations. Okay, let's talk about wins. Who's got some wins out there that they want to share? There There must be some gold that you folks want to share today.
I can start. What's up, everybody? Hi, Mike. This weekend got to go to Build Space in San Francisco and meet a lot of really cool people from around the world who flew in and got to see their demos and their projects and share our ideas with each other, and got to share Build Advisor with them and get a lot of feedback. I'll be posting something about the insights that I've learned and some of the cool projects that I heard about, maybe today or definitely by the end of the week. And yeah, one of the wins was just being there and then posting on Friday, like Mike shared, and getting a lot of engagement on that post. I think people getting an insight to what's going on in the event space, like Mike does with his summits in San Francisco, is really exciting for folks. So happy to be there and share my experience.
Awesome. Anybody else?
And I'll pop.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, if you have a comment, feel free, Mike. Otherwise, I'll popcorn it over to Don.
Hey, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Hey, this must be a good week then. So last week I was focused mainly on networking and also doing some cleanup of some repositories as I accelerate my job hunt. So one of the things that I need to figure out if I can post about is related to one of the meetups I participate in. It's related to NF1. It's a type of cancer. And yeah, related to that, I've been doing some ontology and related work. So meeting some great people. Just need to parlay it into something more meaningful. Today I have a meeting, Mike, with your friend from San Fran to talk about his sort of company and what they do with VR to help treat people with PTSD. So,
Awesome. Glad you guys got to connect.
yeah, so this week in terms of posts, one of the things I want to post about is a continuation of my end of term project for like the Bootcamp 3, and the other thing that I probably will post about relates to something that Lex Friedman did on brain-machine interfaces and sort of it's Elon Musk company, but the untold hero, and well, in this case, maybe told hero, was the guy that got treated. And the story is kind of inspiring in sort of how he's getting involved in the process of improving his experience. He's paralyzed, but in terms of the user experience, like, I mean, in this use case, it's just fantastic in terms of how life-changing generative AI can be. So anyway, that's going to be one of the other posts, but I need to motivate myself to make a credit in that. I just need to post about it.
So from last week, you were going to post a final demo day project. Where are you green on that?
Yeah, I did posts related to my final project. It's
Okay.
just some of the extension-related posts I need to do.
And for this week, you're going to be posting.
One is an extension I want to touch on specifically. There's a Vision Agent project by Andrew Ng and team, and then also I want to post about the app that I created after watching Lex Friedman's podcast on Neuralink is what it's called, the BMI project. I want to take a slightly different post about it. Talk about the patient first, and his experience, his involvement, rather than Elon Musk.
Awesome. Sounds great. Popcorn it to someone.
Sahar, over to you.
I'm doing good. Thank you. I put I didn't do the post because I had in my mind to do a comparison between what I did for my bootcamp 3, but with updated prompt based on DSPY. I applied what it was in the workshop, but what I got on my end for the updated prompt and few shot unified or so, it was not like I expected to see. My plan was to use the updated prompt and compare that one with a simple chain when I am using the fine-tuned model compared to not using a fine-tuned model but using just a unified advanced DSP provider. But what I am getting is not what I expected to see, so I'm working on that one. My plan is to do a comparison between the two naive chain when one is just using the fine-tuned Mistral 7B and the other one doesn't use the fine-tuned but use just the advanced DSP5. And so to see which one works better in a simple naive chain. This is my plan, and I worked, but I didn't see what I expected, so I'm working in this direction.
So you also included DSPy as well as using Mistral? So maybe just doing one at a time? Maybe just...
Oh no, the fine-tuned compared to only using the DSPY.
Okay.
A simple naive chain, when it uses the simple chain, just a role of system that is a psychologist, but it uses a fine-tuned Mistral. For the same test cases, comparing the result with the one that just uses the LLM as usual, but uses the advanced DSP5 updated in RM and LM. I was about to do a comparison, like evaluation of their performances, but still it is in progress. This is my plan to have a post about that.
Sounds great. Okay, so look forward to seeing that next week. Let's send it over to somebody else. Sahar, pick someone else.
Sorry. So I see Richard just besides me, but yeah, Richard G. Yeah, this is just on my end close to me.
So this week I gave a presentation Friday. So I spent quite a bit of the week getting the presentation ready. Gave one on it was an AI kind of introduction to AI risks and things to a local company and some company business owners and stuff. So that was good. Got that done. Spent the whole weekend trying to get my laptop ready for the the boot camp. And I'm using an older laptop, and I think I'm running out of space. And it was a whole weekend of disaster. So anyway, that's kind of where I am. My goal by the end of the week is to have that fully functioning and completed all of the challenge.
Okay, so you're going to be boot camp ready by Friday. Is that the idea?
Yeah, we'll see if that really happens. If the laptop, because my the C drive was just running out of space, and then it's like, you know, with I'm doing this on Windows, and Windows doesn't want to give up its space for the most part. So anyway, that's where I'm at.
Okay then.
I lived the dream of doing the boot camp with Windows and WSL. WSL is going to be key. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Discord.
Thanks, Don.
Okay, EK Sunka.
I'm just dropping and I'm new to all this, so I'm just trying to watch and learn.
Well, welcome. And as I mentioned, this is our community sync meeting on Monday mornings, and we'd like to share what we're working on and also propose what we'd like to do this week. Is there something specific that you're looking to do this week, or to post, or to build?
TextGrad is something that has been hitting me a lot on Twitter, which I don't particularly understand where it fits in the entire cycle of prompting, fine-tuning, and the spectrum where it fits and where exactly will be the use case for such a thing.
And are you gonna dig into that this week?
I'm hoping to.
Okay, excellent. And so that wraps it up for this week, folks. And have a great week. Take care.
Hey, did Christos go?
Thank you.
He went first, actually.
Okay.
Was there? Sorry, Christo. Was there other stuff that you're planning to do this week? So you were green for this week, but is there any other things that you want to do that you want to share?
Thanks, Mike. Bye, everybody. Have a good week.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Take
Take
care.
care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.